Adto dulu.
Oh, very good. Okay. So if you want to become a superhero, what will you do? So you have to eat? What? Eat. Okay. So, matanong. Unsa man di ay nasa group? The meat, fish, protein-rich vegetables such as beans. And dito na belong ang ato ang milk. Okay? And na-appetite glow food. Makapaunsa ka ng glow food, makapamapa, and most especially, makaprotect and prevent us from getting sick. So these are the fruits and the vegetables. Okay, very good. Mga bright na dahil mga kalatay na fruits mo. Iwat sa maestra. Okay. So, ano naman na nagsulti man si